How to fix missing material when importing characters in Unreal Engine 5. And I have downloaded these characters from Mixamo, and I will drag these characters to the in Unreal Engine 5. And I just click import. And now you can see these characters without material. And yeah, I will fix it. And next I will select all of them and delete it. And I will drag these characters again. And next I need to scroll it down, and I find I need to check import material. And we need to check import texture. And yeah, just click import. And here is something wrong. I think it's okay. Close it. And yeah, you can see our characters have the material now. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.